Hello there, I'm Giles at Ultrimax, and today I'm going to talk about my favourite gun, the Iwata W400 Classic Spray Gun. This is easy to use, but most importantly, extremely easy to service and clean. This spray gun is very lightweight, slick and easy to hold in the hand, but I want to show you how easy it is to clean and service this spray gun compared to other brands on the market. Here we have the air pressure regulator, and here is the fan control, which will open and close the fan. This is the fluid adjusting knob for controlling the amount of paint flow. To clean the spray gun, we first take out the fluid needle by fully unscrewing the fluid adjusting knob, pulling out the spring and then the fluid needle. There are no seals or packers in this gun like other brands on the market because it's perfectly machined. We can now take off the air cap, and then the fluid nozzle can come off using the spanner provided. Here again, with a nozzle there are no baffles or seals. The main problem with a baffle is that they can wear quite quickly, which can cause fluttering or spitting in a spray pattern, which can cause problems with an uneven paint finish. So now we have a perfectly machined spray gun with the only wearing parts are the fluid nozzle and needle, which you can buy as a complete set in different sizes from 1mm right up to 2.5mm. Also in this spray gun we have the filter, which fits just inside here. This is to take out any final particles that have been missed by the paint strainer when filling the pot. Then we fit the gravity pot onto the spray gun. We then insert the fluid nozzle, and you need to ensure that this is tight. Place the fluid needle back in the spray gun, spring on the back, and then the adjusting screw back on that. Pop the air cap back on, and here we have the spray gun ready to spray. This will give you a premium finish, excellent for top coating, especially where a high gloss is required. It is suitable for marine, aerospace, rail and joinery, anywhere where you need a top quality paint finish. Personally, I think this is one of the best gravity spray guns on the market. Each spray gun comes complete with a spanner, a small cleaning kit and a parts manual for reordering spare parts. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, give us a like and subscribe. To watch our previous video on chemical staining, click here.